gals. Guys and gals. Well, whatever. I was just watching a video of a good YouTube buddy of mine called 60-Second Cocktails, Reno. I see that you made some Hawaii drinks. I love Hawaii drinks, Reno. You know, we lived in Hawaii for 13 years. We lived on Maui. And the drinks, Honolulu, Halekulani. It wasn't Haleakala. I was thinking, it's a Halekulani, the hotel on, what's the name of it? Oahu, yeah.
And we stayed there.
It's in Honolulu.
We stayed there.
Yeah, we stayed. So he'd made a drink called the Honolulu because he was there. I don't know. Did you stay at the Halekulani? You're going to have to let me know in comments. And then you made a drink called the Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apu'a. That's a fish, and you are right. It's a pretty fish. It's a Hawaii fish. We have a restaurant on Maui. It's at the Grand Wailea, and it's called the Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apu'a. So there you go. I'm going to make all those drinks today and drink them this afternoon. One right after another. Anyhow, I haven't given the stupid laws lately. Did you know that in Switzerland, it's illegal for a man to relieve himself standing up after 10 p.m.? So you have to sit, the guys have to sit down after 10 p.m. to pee.
Who's there? Who's there talking about it?
I don't know. And in Florida, it's illegal to fart in public place after 6 p.m. on Thursday.
Just Thursday and after 6.
After 6 on Thursday. Otherwise, you can fart all you want.
Fart all you
if you
want
want a restaurant, you just want to fart, you just fart away.
Oh,
okay?
Good to know. Yeah, that's important. Thank you.
And in Massachusetts, it's illegal to go to bed without first having a bath. However, another law prohibits bathing on Sundays.
So you don't go to bed on Sunday.
So Sunday you don't go to bed.
So you stay up.
You have to stay up on Sunday.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, that's tomorrow.
And since we're talking about Massachusetts, that's where Boston is.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Boston legal. Well, this drink is going to be called the Boston Terrier. You know, like after the dog, they get a Boston Terrier.
Oh.
Well, if you have a dog that's a Boston Terrier, you got to drink Boston Terriers. Okay, so it's going to be an awesome drink, and I don't know if I have anything else to say because I usually don't. Just give my shout-outs. And my shout-out's going to be Angry Cocktails out there, and Andrew, my buddy Andrew out there in Melbourne, Australia, and Patrick at Patty Joe Cooking. Patrick, you got some awesome cooking. I didn't see, what was that spaghetti pie or spaghetti tacos? Spaghetti tacos?
That
No.
was Man Kitchen.
No. Man Kitchen Recipes?
Uh-huh.
Kevin?
Uh-huh.
Kevin made spaghetti tacos?
Yes.
Well, dear me, what am I doing wrong?
I don't know.
It must be the cocktails that are getting to me. I got a round ice cube. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to do 2 ounces of brandy. Whoa. 2.5 ounces of brandy.
When in doubt.
When in doubt, 1 ounce of rum. Stir it up. Well, round ice cubes don't do too good on here. You have to have a square one. You need a square ice cube. Round ones don't do too good on here. And there you go. I think it's cold. Not cold enough. Hold it up a little bit more. Okay, we're getting it going here. We're getting it going.
Noisy.
It's noisy. Of course it's noisy.
Maraschino?
Yes.
Juice?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
Gonna top it off with a little bit of ginger ale. Just top it off with some ginger ale. Got a bar spoon of maraschino cherry juice. And what do you call that?
Garnish.
It's garnish! It's garnish! The Boston Terrier. It's got a little bite to it. You're okay, Tony. You're okay. To all my YouTube buddies out there, I'm sorry if I messed things up, but I could have sworn Patty Joe made one too.
Maybe she did.
Maybe Patty Joe is a Patrick. It's
Oh.
Patrick.
Oh, it's Patrick.
Kevin is at Man Kitchen Recipes. I know he
Yeah.
made spaghetti too.
Yeah, I
'Cause
saw that the other day.
I watched it too. I was saying, wow, that's really different. And I asked him about meatballs, and he said he was going to put it in. Or was that somebody else? I get so confused. We get so many YouTube buddies. Don't forget, get a vaccine, wear a mask, and it doesn't have to say buzz with your cuz, but if you buzz with your cuz, you always know what you're doing. And say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.